Hi guys, my name is Sahil Misra, and a lot of people had been asking me about music theory lessons, and I thought down the line I'll be making a series based on the same. And today's first lesson is called Notes in Music. Now, when we talk about notes in music, the best way I come to understand about it is to just refer to a keyboard or a piano. And as we've all seen that a keyboard or piano is made of white and the black keys, and the very first white key which you see on a keyboard is called a C. Okay. Then the next white key which you see is called D. And then we move forward the same way. We have E, then comes F and G, A, B, and C. Now please note, after G we move on to the first alphabet A, then B and C, and then it just continues the same way forward. So these are all about the white keys which we have on the keyboard. So simply if we just refer to this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters in the music alphabets, and that's why we call it as the 7 notes in music, or sat sur in music. Just between these white keys we also have some black keys. So this note here, okay, which I'll just draw below, let's just push this here. It's called C sharp. Okay, and then comes G, then comes D sharp, then comes E, and there's no black key involved here. So we go to the next alphabet, we go to F, then F sharp comes here, then we go to G, and then comes G sharp. Similarly we get all the alphabets. So this is A sharp, this is C sharp, and so on and so forth. Just considering a small block, we get all the alphabets as follows. We start with C, go to C sharp, D, going to D sharp, we have letter E, there's no E sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then we come back to C. And this whole thing repeats. In fact, it's just from letters C to B, the whole thing repeats. And from here, from C, a new section starts again. Now, just one more point before I end. So these are called sharps. So okay, it's not hashtag, it's sharp. These are also referred to as D flat. Okay, so the right of C, it's called C sharp, but it's also left of D, so it's called D flat. Similarly, we get E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. So whenever a person says that says that the note is B flat, he's also referring to A sharp. But there's a different let's say notation for that, and let's say a different reference to that when we say A sharp or B flat, which we'll talk about in future lessons. So just in a nutshell, we have the notes A to G in music, and with all of them having sharps except for two. So there is no B sharp, no E sharp. Yeah, that's it for your first lesson in music. I hope you loved this one, and I hope you learned something out of it. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. So this is a whole series where I'll be teaching you how to identify notes, how to apply the notes on your instrument, be it guitar, keyboard, or whatever. And also you'll be learning about chord families and more theory lessons down the line. Thank you.